Okay, hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of converting daily rainfall data to annual monthly wide format data, specifically for creating box plot. So this data we can use for box plot, but the tutorial is mainly how to convert daily list data to annual monthly wide data like a calendar. So we will use R for this task. So let's get started. First, calculate the mean annual monthly rainfall first. So here we have ah so no. This tutorial is actually to how to convert monthly uh, monthly list to annual monthly wide data. Uh, this is the tutorial. So we want to convert monthly data. So this is my data, our data. I have percentage of change of monthly rainfall, percentage of change. So this is the percentage of change of rainfall. So I have, you can use monthly rainfall also here, is okay. But we want to convert this monthly list data to white data. So we have year here, month, and then grid point. I have a grid point here, and we have the monthly one for each grid point. So first we want to take a mean value. So we have months, year until 12, every year until 2022. So this is actually ERA 5 dataset. So first we calculate the mean here. We can calculate the mean auto average. So you will get this mean here actually, this mean data. If I put it here, I recalculate this mean, so we will get the mean data. So this is the mean data. You can just double click it, and then you will calculate all the mean of change for monthly rainfall. So this is the list data, but you can calculate any grid point actually if you want to calculate for certain grid point. But overall, I want to have a general how much is changed over a spatial space. So any grid point is also okay. You can take any grid point, but I want to check the mean. How the annual mean change for every month. So this is our data list, long list actually. Long list, I call it long list from 1950 to 2022 for each month. So first, we calculate the mean annual monthly rainfall first. Just now, we already calculated. Now, first, then we set the working directory to the location of your monthly rainfall dataset. So this is the monthly rainfall dataset. I put it here in this folder. So you can just copy this folder and paste it here to set the working directory. Now let's read the monthly rainfall data from CSV file. So read.csv. So the data is here. The data is PM ERA 5 Tmax change monthly. So this is Tmax actually, Tmax data. Monthly. Here. So the data is here. I can check F5. Here. Okay. Yeah, this is the data, the input data. So we read the input data. Now we read the set working directory. Just now we run it, and then we read the CSV file, and then we read the day as our input data. Just now we have the day is in, month is year, month, year and month. So we don't need to read the day actually. Here we can put it like this. So read the month is column 2, D2. We put this is our data set just now, D. We read is this CSV file. So we read column 2 of our data set, which is the month. And then year is column 1. Year is column 1. Here you can see year is column number 1. Year column number 1. And then we read which data point we want, which grid point we want to read. But just now I want to read the mean. So the mean is here for 176, 107 column, 176 column. So I read the mean range is this column 176, and then we put this year V. We want to put the null. Next, we want to initialize the variable that will be used for storing the calculated mean, annual, monthly Tmax. Actually, this is Tmax. You can use a rainfall data also. It's okay. So year V, we see year V is year. So we want to do this one first, and then we use year V null, and then January null, February, March until December. It's all is null. So it set object YR. I think this one YRS is. I need to do this. Here. Okay. So now let's look through the years and months to calculate the mean annual monthly rainfall. So we make a loop here, and then YRS, while YRS must not NA. So the length of the YRS should not be, the year must not be NA. So for year in sequence YSYE for month 1 to 12, we make a loop here for which YRS monthly rainfall, mean, rain, J, and then this is the code for you to calculate for each month to get the mean. So it will calculate. Now we combine. You can follow this code, use it, follow this code. Now we combine the calculated monthly Tmax just now, monthly Tmax into a matrix, and write it to a CSV file. So we combine all the January until December that has been calculated, and then I want to make another output here. We write it as CSV. So this is our result. So let's see our result. It's printing just now. Right now, okay. Now we have our result. So this is the result of our I turned it into white, from long list into white. So the year is 1950 to 2022. So this is change, percentage of change, the mean every year for January until December. So if we have this kind of data set, we can easily put it into a box plot or something like that. So some people want to have this kind of output. So you can prepare the monthly data into monthly data long into monthly data wide by using this code. So you can change this data set just now. You see it's long list, year, month, and each grid point. It's long list going down, something like this. But we want to put it into white. We calculate it by using this code. You will get the result like this. So you have every year and every month, more like white arrangement, like a calendar. So this can be very useful for you to calculate monthly statistic for January, February, March, April, May, June. So easy for you to calculate the statistic for each month. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this code will be helpful for you.